Welcome to One Services Mowing and Gardening. We offer exceptional mowing and gardening services working within your budget with a team local to you. We work to improve the health and appearance of your garden. Leave all of your mowing, edging, trimming, weeding, and pruning requirements to our highly trained gardeners to achieve your perfect garden. With client satisfaction as our #1 priority, we provide a worry-free service with guaranteed results. Our services include lawn mowing, hedging and pruning, gutter cleaning, rubbish removal, landscaping and garden design, gardening services, and more. We are incredibly proud to present our highly professional garden experts. We are undoubtedly committed to making you feel best when you look or walk around your property. We make sure that all our gardeners are full trained, insured, police checked, extraordinarily efficient and punctual. At One Services Mowing and Gardening, we aim to produce exceptional results. Our team have a passion for lawns and understand that no two gardens are the same. We work closely with our clients, tailoring a solution to your individual needs. All services are adjustable according to your garden size and requirements. Our hardworking teams are ready to help you achieve your lawn and garden dreams. For our reliable lawn mowing and gardening services, contact us on 1300-497-595 or visit our website oneservicemowing.com.au.